So, today we're going to hear what a Raspberry Pi sounds like when it boots up. Through the interference it makes through this cheap audio amplifier I made. But unfortunately the Pi seems to have a lot of electronic noise when it's with its default circuit board. So we're going to see what it sounds like as it boots up, going through all its commands. I'll use this microphone to get some better audio than what this phone can record. And there we go, it's finished the boot up process. And now it's just there waiting for some input. Bit like, dial-up days. Cool.